When you can leverage something like ops execution, it really empowers them to see the areas of opportunity. When you can manage your inventory and you can manage your labor, you're going to increase profitability. Anytime you have one platform and you know that the data is accurate, you just kind of unlock everything.
I think what sets Smoothie King apart from other brands is that it truly lives what it speaks.
We have a mission and vision where we want to make the world a better place by nourishing healthy habits. And everything that we do feeds back to the mission and the vision.
So the reason we decided to go with Crunchtime as a full suite was because having a one-stop shop where all of their daily processes can be tracked was just really gonna take a lot of that off of the operators and just make for a more efficient shift.
You don't have to rely on multiple different systems. You can just have purchasing, inventory, consumption. You can see sales depletions, even recipes, all in one platform.
With inventory, the mobile app has been a huge win for us. Our teams absolutely love it. Being able to have multiple people counting at once and then syncing the data has gained us so much time.
Recommended ordering is huge already from the operator's standpoint. It really takes out the guesswork because it takes into consideration sales, historical data, all of that.
One of the things that we really liked and attracted us to Crunchtime was the ability for them to incorporate AI into the scheduling and inventory platforms. Our franchisees already are utilizing the weather and are excited to see, based on the forecast that the system is projecting, as we get more and more usage into the system and adoption, we're starting to see that forecast versus that actual start to kind of align.
So the advantages of Crunchtime is they can see how their business is performing. So they can see things like tracking labor that's up to date, inventory, scheduling the right people at the right time, just really having a good roadmap as to what really good operations in a store look like.
It's created a conversation between training, operations, IT, and supply chain. So it's allowed us to correct our recipes, our employee maintenance, and several other aspects of the system. So now that we have a great foundation for valid information coming through from Crunchtime, it's allowed us to take that next step and be able to define metrics for which we can operate with.